Hello student of class 8, once again I am Sumi and welcome back to my video. So today in my video I will explain you about the chapter number 9, a new chapter. So in this beginning of the new chapter, chapter number 9, the name of the chapter is algebraic expressions and identities. So first of all we will study about the algebraic expression. And identities we will study later on portion of the chapter. So first we will discuss about the algebraic expressions. Algebra, we have already come across the algebra, the term algebra and the working out of the algebra expression in class 7 and in class 6 also. So what is the algebra? You know the algebra. Algebra is a kind of quantity or kind of number that used to represent with some unknown values, isn't it? Where there is some unknown value, that is called algebra. Expressions of algebra we call it, isn't it? So finding out the value of unknown is actually algebra. So what happened here in algebra, we will try to recall all those points we have studied in class 6 and class 7. Okay. So what happened when we say about expressions? So let's try to find out. You know what is algebra? The algebra is that the value of the unknown is called algebra, like where you find that number in the letters for 9x, 3x, 5x, 5y, 5t, like this, where you can find that particular number where it is represented by some unknown value like x, a, b, c, d, or any alphabet. This is called algebra. But expression, when we come to this point expression, so what is this expression? So when algebra, when it is only a particular group of number and letters, this calls simply algebra, isn't it? And that is called terms, okay, paired terms. But what is meaning of expression is that, for example, any algebra, you find that any algebra is with or are with any functions. Functions means operation. Operation means your addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. Then it becomes the expressions. For example, you see here, when we talk about that twice x, y, this is called algebra, isn't it? This number is called algebra number or algebra we call it, isn't it? But see, when it is along, there this group of number 2x, y, this is called term. This is called term, isn't it? This is called term. Okay, this is called term. And in this term, each of them, like 2, x and y, they are multiplied together and form this 2x, y, and each of them is called factors. Each of them is called factors. Okay, so this term, if you find that twice x, y, with an operation plus or minus or into or division, then so into and division is another cases that we can consider, but let us consider only this operation of plus and minus. If you find an operation of addition or subtractions with another terms, let's say 3y, then this is called an expression. Means when the algebra is with some operation, then it is called expressions. Okay, expression. This is called expression. So we are going to study about the algebraic expressions and how to find out the value of this unknown as well as some operations of the algebraic expression, like additions of algebra, multiplication of algebra, division of algebra, or even the subtraction of algebra. So in this beginning of the chapter, we are going to find out the addition or subtraction of the algebra expression. Okay, clear? This is called expression. This expression is addition, isn't it? And if it is, for example, another expression twice xy minus 3y, that is called subtraction. Is it a subtraction? Addition, subtraction. So like this, we are going to study about this chapter. It is called algebraic expression and identities. So here we know that what is expression, but here you can find out that this is called a term, and in term each of them 2x or y, they are called factors. Okay, they are called factors. And what about this another term called coefficient? What is called coefficient? The coefficient means in this twice x y, you can simply 2 is coefficient of the term. Simply say that the number is coefficient, or we say numerical coefficient also. Numerical coefficient or simply coefficient. When you talk about coefficient, this 2 is coefficient. For example, another term is there 4xz. So in this 4xz, what is the coefficient here? The coefficient is minus 4 is the coefficient. The number you can find in the terms is called coefficient. Clear? Don't forget. And next, we are going to find out the type of algebraic expression. Type of algebraic expression. First of all, you will get here as number 1, monomial. Monomial. What is monomial? Monomial means you will find that only one type of algebraic expression is there, or algebra number is there. For example, 2xy is called monomial because why there is no any other terms like this. Whether any more again algebra number. Very number. Okay, so only this way you can find it 2xy. Only one is there, isn't it? It is called, so this both this together is called one term. If you find only one term is there, then it's called monomial. Okay. Then binomial. What is binomial? Binomial, the algebra expressions where it consists of two two terms is called binomial. For example, the terms twice as y. I'll take in another, let us say minus 4z. Okay, 4z. So there are two terms. See, since there is no any sign, we cannot say that there are two terms. But when you can say that there are terms, whether there is a plus or minus. If there is a minus or plus between these two terms, then we can say there are separate terms. Otherwise, we cannot say. Okay, they are not separate terms. For example, here in this case, we find that 2 plus x plus y. This is separate terms. There are three terms. They are separate terms. That means terms are separated by plus or minus sign. Okay, clear? No division, no multiplication. Multiplication, divisions never separate the terms. They group the terms. But plus or minus, for example, here we find the minus here also. There are different terms. But since you see here, when they are all multiplied, then they become one term. In the multiplication, they make one term. But in addition and subtraction, they make different terms. This is one term and this is another term. Okay, clear? Once again, terms are separated into different terms by addition or subtraction, or by plus or minus. Okay, clear? So you see here, in between these terms, one function or one operation is plus. So this plus is separating these terms into two terms. So the expressions where this expression is having only one term, so it is called monomial, and the expressions where you can find there are two terms, it is called binomial and trinomial. Trinomial. What is trinomial? Trinomial is the algebraic expressions when you find that twice x, y plus 4z still, and one more is there, let us say 3y. So 1, 2, 3 terms are there, and if the expression is consists of 3 terms, then it is called trinomial. Okay, tri means trinomial. So once again, don't forget that terms are separated into different terms by plus or minus sign. Okay, clear? Not into. For example, see 2 into x into y. This is one term, not different terms. Okay, not different term. This is one term, but here they are different terms. Why? For there is there is what to say, there is plus or minus sign. So even though if you find that there is 3 or there is 4, what happens? You will get 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 24x1 will get it's 1 2. Even though more coefficient are there, don't worry for it. If multiplication, one term. If it is plus or minus, then it is different terms. Okay, clear? So the expressions where you find that two terms are there is called binomial, and the expressions where you find three terms are there and is called trinomial, and last one is called polynomial. Polynomial. Poly means many. So many means it is more than three. For example, say twice xy plus 4z minus 3y. Again, we say minus or plus. Plus 5, let's say 5x. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And so on. Plus again another, minus again another, or plus again another, or plus again another terms again. If you find that it is more than 3 or more than 4 or more than 5 terms are there in a given expression. What is that in the expression terms? Okay. If you find that uh, more than 3 terms or more than 4 terms or more than 5 terms are there in an expression, then that algebraic expression is called polynomial. Poly means so this is what you have to understand. Okay, clear? And then we'll continue with next topic is as the addition and subtraction of the algebraic expressions that we'll do with the exercise. Okay, how it's solved, I'll show you. So you know the addition and subtraction of whole numbers, isn't it? In a simple column column manner, isn't it? We arrange into column and row. In that way also we can do the subtraction and addition. Then how we'll do, I'll show you when we discuss about the exercise. Okay, don't worry for that. So after this, what I will have to take down is your exercise 9.1. Okay, exercise 9.1. Let us see what is discussed here. Okay. Hello students, here we have question number 1 of exercise 9.1. Here, question number 1 is asking you to identify the terms and their coefficient from each of the following expressions. 1, 2, 3 expression I am showing here, and the other is not like this. Okay, other questions. So first of all, try to find out which are the terms. Which are the terms? Terms are 5x yz square and minus 3zy. These are the two terms. Can you see? These are the two terms. I just have and circulate, it's not required, just to make clear. Clear. Then coefficient. Coefficient. For this coefficient is 5, and for this here is minus 3. The coefficient are these two numbers. That is very helpful. For this one, terms are x by 2, y by 2, and xy. Sorry, and minus xy. So the coefficient, just the numbers of the result. First one is this is 2. This is also 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2, and for this is minus 1. When there is no number, take minus 1 and take 1. Okay, clear? When there is no any numbers, the coefficient is 1. Okay, and here x by 2, y by 2 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, then here terms are 0.3a minus 0.6ab, and I calculate in one line. Okay, terms which are a 0.3a minus 0.6ab and 0.5. So here, what are the coefficients? The coefficients coefficients are here first one. Okay, for this first one it is 0.3, and for this is minus 0.6, and for this is 0.5. These are the three coefficients of this three terms here in the expressions. Okay, clear? So my dear student, like this, please try to find out terms of the coefficient of the other equations by going through this small explanations. Okay, so there is no much difficulties here. So let us go to the next question. So hello student, next question number 3 and number 2. Question number 2, you can just try yourself, very simple. You have to find out which one is monomial, binomial, polynomial of the given expression only. So number 2, you can try yourself, this very easy question. And now let's go to question number 3. In question number 3, we start this addition of the expressions. Okay, algebraic expression. See, we aware of this commas. Commas is telling you that these are different set of expressions. One expression, two expression, three expression. In expression terms, we are doing what terms? Expression. Three expressions are given here. One expression here, another here. These three expressions we are going to add together, isn't it? Now, to add them, what we have to do, let us arrange the column wise. How we did, for example, 2 plus 4 plus 5. We make 2 plus 4 plus 5. Column wise, isn't it? Like this. So in this way, we can add the algebraic expression. So for that, let us write this AB minus BC. So where is BC here? Another BC here for this second term. So right here BC. Okay. So in the column, you have to make same terms. It is called like terms. Terms having same letters is called like terms. Okay. For example, here B, C, and BC are called like terms. CB, this also called the like terms. Why? Because both are having the same letters. So this CB you can write as BC. Remember that commutative property of multiplication. So we can access this. The method. Okay, we can change the base. So BC. But here the BC is plus or minus plus. When there is no sign, we take plus, isn't it? Then next is CA. Okay. Now you see here in this last expression CA plus CA is here, plus CA is here, and here minus AB. Where's AB? AB club. So here you write AB is here minus AB. The same way. Okay. CA and in this CA column, AB in AB column. Like terms. We arrange the columns of the like terms. AB, BC, CA. So we got here three terms of three different terms, isn't it? Yes or no? Yeah. They are the like terms. Now after this, draw the line like this for equation. Now let us start from here. In numericals or in number or arithmetic, we did from the left side. But here we start from the right side. Okay, clear? Right side. Doesn't matter right side or left side. There is no any differences or changes. Clear? So here you see, first of all, here you can see that it is plus here and it is minus. So plus minus you can cancel this. Okay, and here also minus BC plus BC cancel. Here also cancel. The answer is 0. You can check it. Okay. So now we get the answer as 0. Yes. See, plus and minus to be subtract. 1 minus 1 is 0. Yes, this same number minus 2 minus 2 0. That is plus AB and minus AB. You have to subtract. So you get 0 here. Also 0 here, 0. So the answer is about 0 because 1 plus 1 minus we can cancel the like terms. Okay, clear? In like terms, when the signs are different, we can just cancel them. 0. This also 0. The answer is 0. Next, let us erase this first. A minus B plus AB. Isn't it? Yes. Then next, B. Here plus B. Then C we don't have, but B we have here plus BC. Here, right here, plus BC. Okay. Then here we have this one. See, no AB is here, so leave this column and just come here, write minus C, right? And plus BC. Because we have to do this column. This column is for AB term, isn't it? Yeah, the term AB. So any like term we have to AB. Like term is having the same letters. Okay. Then next C. C here is plus, isn't it? And A minus A. So minus A is C. In the same line. Okay, clear. And next is AC. Do we have AC here? No. No. You have to get another column here. Column for AC. Plus AC. Plus AC. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3 expressions. Now draw the line. Okay. So here what is one? Plus and minus cancel here. Here plus and minus cancel here. Now here you get only AB. Plus AB. Isn't it? And minus C plus cancel here, you get here plus BC, here plus AC. Now you get the answer as AB plus BC plus AC. So this is the answer. Just try to understand, go through once again, okay, clear. So plus minus, how we arrange? A minus B plus AB. In this, we get one B like terms plus B, isn't it? No C, so we made one column here. AB, no AB, so we made another column here, isn't it? Okay. Next, we have C. This C is C, same, but this plus C, so put plus C here in the column of C, and minus A. When it is A, put minus A. Okay, clear? And plus AC. AC, no more AC. There is no any AC column, make another column. So now column wise we do the operation. You can see here this column minus and plus. Minus and plus cancel, isn't it? Minus and plus cancel. Same terms, isn't it? Here nothing is just one. Here minus C plus C cancel, no more. Come to the next column, you get here plus BC. Here plus AC. And this is the answer. Nothing we can do more again. So we get here AB plus BC plus AC. So this is the answer. In this way, please try to find the answer of another two questions are there here. Okay, follow the same method. If you have any doubt, please let me know it. Okay, let us go to the next question. Hello, my dear student. Next question, we have question number 4. The question number 4 is separation of the algebraic expression. Here I will do only one. 3 questions are there. I will do only one. That is number B. One A and C, try yourself. Okay, the more you try is better. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, clear to me. See the number B. You see here in number B. What are expressions given here? Twice xy plus 5yz minus 7zx. Subtract from another expression here. That is 5xy minus 2yz minus 2xz minus plus 10xyz. From here we have to subtract. From here we have to subtract. This expression we will subtract from here. From which expression we are going to subtract? We are going to subtract from this expression. So write this expression first. That is 5xy minus twice yz minus twice zx plus 10xyz. You write this first in the column. We are going to arrange the column like we did in the addition, okay, or we did in the arithmetic. Now next, try to find out the like terms of those terms where you write first, from where we have to subtract. From this expression we have to subtract, isn't it? From the word from. Understand this expression, the word from, this have to write first. Okay, then we have to subtract this. Then means now you write the expression here 3xy. Xy here is xy. 3xy. Now 5yz. 5yz is here. yz, they are having, see, like terms are the terms having the same letters or same variables. Okay, xy, yx, xy, xy, yz, yz. So here plus 5yz we get here, and zx minus 7zx. Normal, finish. Then draw a line. Line should be a little below, okay? Not close. Here I want to show you one thing here. In the subtraction, what happened? The sign will be changed of the second expression. The expression here will change all the sign. Here we see signs will change all the sign. This is only in the subtraction, remember. Okay. So the expression below here where you might the sign will be changing. Okay. So this will become plus, this will become minus, this will become plus. So we are not going to take this plus, this is plus, so this will be minus. Okay. All the side, their sign will change. This is plus, will become minus, this plus will become minus here, this is minus, it will become plus. And we have to do the operation. Now this become minus. So minus 3 and plus 5. What will we do? We have to subtract. And we are getting here 2. Isn't it? Yes. 2. Then its lateral number will be same as this. X, Y, Z. Okay. Then here it become minus 5. Minus 5 and minus 2. What we have to do? We have to add together. Isn't it? Minus minus will add. Now, isn't it? What are minus? So we have to add. That means minus 7 y z. Now it becomes plus here, no more minus. So we have to subtract. Subtract 2 from 7, you got 5 here, 5. So 5 which sign will take 5 here, plus sign or minus sign. Because 7 become plus, so plus sign will have that. Plus 5 zx. And this will be as it is. Nothing will be there. Nothing is there, then it will be as it is. नीचे में कुछ नहीं और से ऐसे है, ठीक है? So in subtraction, the sign of the expression below will change. The sign of the expression in below will change. Plus का minus हो गया, plus का minus होना है, minus का plus होना है. उसके बाद आपका फंक्शन को करना है, आपका ऑपरेशन को करना है. Okay. So please follow this and do the other questions. And this is all for today's sessions. So thank you once again for watching my video. So we'll meet again in the next video sessions. Till then, have a good day, all of you.